Good morning children. Today we will see our first chapter, that is classification of plants. Plants are living things. They can be divided into different types based in their shape, size and habitat and life. Here in this chapter we will discuss on the types of plants on the basis of their habit. So we should know what is habitat. A habitat is a place where an organism lives. Generally, plants can be divided into two types on the basis of their habitat, that is, plants of terrestrial plant and aquatic plants. Now we will go to the terrestrial plant. Such plant grows on land. They known as terrestrial plants. They can be studied under the following headings. First we will see plants of cold climate. Such type of plants need very low temperature to grow, and these trees like deodar, fir, pines, spruce are very common in cold regions. These are the examples of the plants those who grow in cold climate. These plants need very low temperature to grow. If we go to Mussoorie, Simla or Kashmir in India or at any hill station, we can see the trees of this kind. You will find that these trees are different from those from the common garden plants. Most of them have needle-like leaves with smooth surface. They have thick wood and straight stem. Mostly you will see in cold region the leaves are needle-like shape and they have smooth surface. In India, Mussoorie, Simla, Kashmir, in these places we can see like this kind of plants. The next, plants of plains. Such type of plants can bear heat, so they can live with little water. In winter, they protect themselves by shedding their leaves. Their stems are solid and well branched. Stomata are usually present on both the surface of the leaves. Mango, peepal, sesame and neem are such kind of trees. Those who grow in the plains and they live with little water, and in the winter they shed their leaves. Next we will see plants of hot and damp climate. Such type of plants grow in enough humidity and temperature. They can bear the fluctuations of temperature and moisture because they are well adapted according to their habit. So they remain evergreen. For example, teak and coconut. You can see this kind of tree in hot and damp climate. The next, plants of desert. These plants are called xerophytes. They grow in a relatively dry habitat. As they are in the desert, they grow in a dry habitat. In such plants, the stem is profusely branched, usually stunted, woody, dry and hard. Leaves are reduced in size or absent. Mostly the leaves are absent in these plants. Then scale-like or spinning. The work of the leaves is taken over by the fleshy green stem. For example, opuntia and prickly pear are the example of the desert plant. Another important feature of such plants are there are well developed roots. Roots grow deeper and deeper into the soil to absorb more and more water for the emergency. For example, Nerium. Now we will see the plants of marshy areas. These plants grow in the type of soil that contains less air. So a few roots have big pores which comes out on the surface of the soil and facilitate the exchanges of gases. For example, Candelia or Caryopsis are the examples of the plants of marshy areas. Now we will go to the quick review. In that we will see the first question. What do you mean by a habitat? A habitat is a place where an organism lives. What kind of leaves do the desert plant have? The leaves of desert plants are reduced in size or absent of scale like or spiny. Where would you find coconut trees growing? Coconut trees grows in hot and damp climate. Name two plants of cold climate. The two plants of cold climate are finn and pine. Children, you learn all the important points. Thank you.